Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to sort data from A to Z in Google Sheets. So let's begin. As you can see, I have plenty of data right over here, and if I want to sort these data, then I'll simply have to click right over here on a column, and then after clicking I can select sort A to Z, and then the data will be sorted from A to Z. But as you can see, my heading has been changed too. If you want to lock your heading, then you can just freeze one row. So I will drag the freezing line right over here and I will freeze one row. Now if I sort my data from this column, then you'll be able to see that my heading has remained intact and my data has been sorted. But as you can see, my value has also changed with the data. But if you want to retain your value, but you still want to organize your data, then you can simply select the entire column like this, then click on data right over here, create a filter. From here, you can now click on this filter and then you can select sort A to Z. Now, as you can see, my data has been sorted and my value has not changed either. So that's how you can sort data from A to Z in Google Sheets.